I drew this from a very simple pencil sketch. Let me show you how I draw this 3/4 view anime boy step by step. And at the end, I'll also color it using the color markers Ohuhu sent me. Hey guys, it's Kiri. Today I'll be showing you how I draw this cute anime boy in 3/4 view. For this illustration, the camera angle is slightly higher, so the character looks like he's looking up a little. Alright, let's get started. I always start with a circle, and yes, I know, drawing circles is hard. Then I draw a cross guideline. For this angle, the lines are slightly curved. I then extend this line down for the cheek. And sketch a short jawline here since this is a young boy. This is a chest up pose, so I keep the body very simple, also in a 3/4 view. The middle line here marks where the top of the eyes will be. It's about halfway down the face. I divide the bottom half again. This is where the nose goes. I also added a guideline for the bottom of the eyes here. Then draw simple box shapes here as a guide for the eye positions. Notice that the eye closer to us is bigger and the one further away is smaller. I also soften the jawline here to make the face look younger and cuter. I start with the upper eyelid. It's thinner on the inside and thicker on the outside. The iris on this eye is slightly oval and thinner. For this eye nearer to us, the iris is rounder and fuller. I round out the cheeks a bit more here to get that cute look. I'm going with a classic petal style fringe with a center parting. As you can see, I draw the big hair shapes first, starting with this center point. I leave extra space between the skull and the hair outline so that the hair feels fluffy. Then I slowly add smaller strands and details. For the outfit, I'm giving him a simple hoodie. Once the pencil sketch is done, I do the line art using a red Prismacolor pencil. I've been using color pencils for line art lately, and I really like how much softer it looks compared to using fine liners. After erasing the sketch lines, I go over the outline one more time to clean it up. Now for coloring, I'm using the Ohuhu Kaala 60 illustration set and the color B60 landscape set that Ohuhu has kindly sent me. This is the first time I'm using this series. I'm also using the Ohuhu marker pad. The paper is thick and smooth and works really well for alcohol markers. I start with the base skin tone. This warm grey is the lightest skin tone I can find from these sets. I usually prefer something even lighter. but this actually works pretty well. I used the skin white shade for the first shadows. For the hair base, I chose Primrose. This is a soft blonde tone. And now I use Primary Yellow to add some depth. For the eyes, I use Potato Brown for the upper eyelid to keep the overall look soft. I start with a light base color for the eyes, then slowly build up darker tones. It's always safer to go light first, because you can always darken later but you can't undo it. I add some simple line details here to the sleeve so that the hoodie doesn't look too plain. I go with a light blue for the hoodie. I use some purple for shadows here to add more color interest, and a bit of light purple to help show the folds and depth. So far, the color markers are easy to blend. The brush tips are on the softer side. I add some light pink highlights to the hair. I darken some line art around the eyes to make them look sharper. And also added more blush with the red pencil. I'm refining some finer hair details using gentle pencil strokes. I really like combining alcohol markers with color pencils. It gives a softer and more finished look. Finally, I add some white pencil highlights on the skin and hair. And here's the finished illustration. Let me know what you think of the drawing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.